Hello my super friends, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Francisca the Super Mom. So guys, today I'll be showing you how to prepare your watermelon and cassava melon juice. So just watch me as I do it. So guys, this is our cassava melon we'll be using today, and also a watermelon that we'll be using today. So I'm going to start with watermelon. First, you cut your watermelon first. I divided into two because I will slice the remaining one. After slicing, some people like enjoying their watermelon like this. I remember those days in Nigeria, people like to take it like this. It's still okay. I do that also at times. It's still okay. You can also decide to grind it to make a juice out of it. So you put it in your grinder, just the way I did mine. Then you grind it. It's not that difficult to grind. It's very easy to grind it. After grinding it, you can decide to take the juice like this. You pour it in your glass cup. If you want to take it like this, just pour it in your glass cup and you enjoy it like this. It's still okay. But if you want to sieve it, is another method. You sieve it. You use your filter to filter it. It's still okay. I think I prefer this third method. Yes, I prefer this method. It's so light. You see the way it's light? It's so light. Yes, it's so light. I like it so much. I enjoy it. So, but that is it. So it's after grinding your watermelon, you can decide to take it without filtering it, or you can also decide to filter it. So that depends on you, because you see this one is a little bit thick. If you did not filter it, it's gonna be a little bit thick, kind of, not that thick. So that is it. But if you filter it, it's going to be light. So this is the remaining one. I'll be cutting it. I will slice it to 8. So that is it, guys. You can see the difference. So let's go to our cassava melon. So just the way we did before, have to cut it. Then after that, you put it in your grinder. After grinding it, you can decide to drink it like that. So first you pour it in your cup. So you can decide to drink it like that, just as I said before, or you can also decide to sieve it. It depends on you. This one is so smooth, so nice. You are going to enjoy it. If you do it like this, you are going to enjoy it. It's so nice. So, but you can also decide to filter it. So I'm going to show you how to do that, though you have seen it before. Yeah, you bring your filter and then you pour it little by little because the filter is very small. Then you see, after that, just look at the two. You will see the difference between the two. You see the two. This one is not filtered. You see, it's a little bit thick. Yeah, it's a little bit thick, but it's still okay. It's so nice. Why this one is lighter? See, this one is light. Yeah, so that is it, guys. These are the ways you can enjoy your melon, your watermelon or your cassava melon. You can also slice it like this. You slice it, you eat it anyhow, anytime you want. Especially during hot weather, these fruits are so nice. I enjoy taking it during hot weather. Yes. So that is it, our cassava melon and our watermelon. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for coming around. And please, if you have not subscribed, please do consider subscribing. I would like to see you in our next video. Thank you so much and remain blessed. Thank you.